Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are trying out this gel polish remover. I believe the brand is called aloe vera, something like that. I don't know. If y'all know how to pronounce it, leave it down in the comments. But yeah, we're just trying out this product today. I saw it on TikTok, so I wanted to give it a try. This was me struggling to get the box open, but this is the packaging. Comes in a cute bottle like this. It's a 15 milliliter bottle for $7 on Amazon right now. This is what it looks like. That's what my nails look like at the moment. It desperately need. Anyways, we're not gonna talk about it. So, we just gonna go ahead and get into it. So right now, I'm just lightly buffing my gel polish. And this is prior to me actually like looking at the instructions, because I just assumed to like buff my nails or whatever. So here's an up close of the instructions right here. Pause it if y'all want to read it. But yeah. So I did want to test it out on lightly buffed nails and unbuffed nails. So I'm gonna put it on this one that I slightly buffed. It still has most of the polish on there, so y'all will see how well it takes off the polish. And I did put it on that nail because that one is unbuffed. It still has the top coat and everything on there, but it is chipping. So yeah, I put on a timer for 5 minutes as the instructions said. It said leave it on for 5 to 6 minutes. I just left mine on for 5 minutes because I really wanted to see how well it does. And I did notice, like, when I had it on my nails, I can feel it tightening up a little bit. But I think it was also because I had quite a bit of polish still on my nails. Because when I did file it down more than what I did, I didn't really feel it as much as I did right here. But as y'all can see, like, I'm barely even scraping this off. Like, I'm not even like putting any pressure on it. Like, this is just falling off the bone, like literally. But I don't know if y'all can tell, like, it took off basically just a white polish. I believe the base coat was still on there. It was like a little bit of the base coat, but I'm pretty sure if I filed it down some more prior to me applying the product, then all of it would have came off in one go. And as y'all can see, I'm scraping the other one that I didn't buff. A few pieces did come off, but I think it was because it was lifted in those areas, to be honest. All right, and now I'm gonna go in and buff the rest of my nails, buff it as thin as I possibly can, because I did end up going in with a second coat before buffing my nails to see if it'll just get it all the way off, and it did. But I want to try to avoid using it twice, so I'm gonna buff it as thin as I possibly can. And as y'all can see, I put it on my other hand as well, and it's literally just coming off like so easily. I don't know why I didn't know about this beforehand. Like, this product is literally so freaking good. Like, 10 out of 10 would recommend. If y'all haven't got this product or tried this product, please go get you some. All right, and here I am just doing like some little nail care, just really buffing, just really removing the rest of the any polish that might be still on my nails, which it shouldn't be. But yeah, I'm just buffing my nails, cleaning up my cuticles, and prepping my nails for a nail set that I didn't include in this video. It was just a basic nail set. I did an all black nail set, so yeah. I mean, that is basically it for the video. I'm gonna just let y'all watch the rest of my prep, and yeah. That's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. That would be greatly appreciated. If y'all enjoy these videos, please let me know as well, so I can do more. I do have like a few reviews coming up. I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is just yet, so yeah, but I'm pretty sure y'all will enjoy it. But yeah, that is it for this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.